Welcome to Kalikasan!
Kailangan mo talagang gumawa nito kasi nung mag-flower, ikaw talagang gumawa ng flower para tatay. Kala para talagang totoo tayo. Ikaw talagang gagawa ng mga table and chair.
I don't believe it. I don't see it. I don't feel it. I don't feel it. I don't see it. Everybody, I make this and she have this too like real life. Did you see? It's too small.
It's your pillow.
Everybody, this is the bed. I already fixed it, but she only need a book. I don't write books already, but I only love them. It's so cute, huh? It looks like this. Did you have a bed like that before? No. Did you love it? It's so cozy. It looks like real. This is the second floor. The second floor have book and paintings and pillows to rest and a mirror too. This have a picture in it, and this is have a thingy like this is a protection, the race, and this is the wall like you. This is a. And the back is look like this. And if you turn this, she'll turn it on. You see? This, like that. It's only look like that. Did you see? This is walls and the future. Like it look like this, and I turn it on now. Okay? This is the TV. Did you see here? This is the books in the TV. This is perfume, alcohol. This is the closet. cabinets, and this is the sofa. This is the sofa. This is the thingy that you want to, if you want to read or something. But this is here. Okay. This is a book, and this is the chairs. This is look like, and this is the food. This look like real, but it's not really. And this is the flower in the side, and this is the cakes. Did you have a birthday in your home? No. If you're 5, you'll have a birthday. I'm turning 5. Did you see? And I'm only 5 years old. Okay. 5 years old. And this is the dining table. This is the dining table. This is the dining table. This is the kitchen. Oh, I'm starting with the kitchen now. Okay. This kitchen have cabinets. This have cabinets. First cabinets, the washing thingy. You can only fit in my hands, but this is really for me. This is the one you cook, and you can open, and this is a holder for the cooker. If you want to cook rice, you only get this. So cute, yeah. And this is the chopping board and things or anything, but wash. That is all. Goodbye, everybody.